Have you been struggling with brain fog in the mornings lately? If your energy is crashing before your day even begins, I've got the perfect fix. In just 30 seconds, I'm going to show you a supercharged ginger shot that not only clears your mind but also fuels your body, boosts digestion, and supports weight loss. You only need 3 simple ingredients: fresh ginger, raw honey, and lemon juice. It's quick and easy. Just peel, chop, and blend the ginger with honey and lemon juice. In no time, you've got a zesty, nutrient-packed shot to jumpstart your day. Take it every morning and watch your energy levels soar while your body feels lighter and more refreshed, ready to feel the difference. Try it for yourself and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And don't forget to hit follow and subscribe for more powerful health tips. Let's make your mornings sharper and cleaner.